What's up, Mavericks? If you've tried to find a payment processor, you know it can be a pain. We're talking hidden fees, long contracts, and confusing setups. And if you're a high-risk business, it gets even worse as you deal with rejections, outrageous pricing, and radio silence from providers who don't want your business. Enter Durango Merchant Services. Durango helps businesses of all risk levels get the payment processing they need without the runaround. But with so many bad players in the payments industry, you're probably asking, is Durango legit? And most importantly, is it right for your business? Keep watching as I break down what Durango Merchant Services is and how it works. Durango Merchant Services helps businesses sell online with robust e-commerce solutions, including shopping cart integrations, virtual terminals, and secure payment gateways. Whether you're a startup launching your first online store or scaling a complex e-commerce operation, Durango gives you the tools to accept payments smoothly and securely. If you're in a regulated industry like travel, adult products, collections, or anything with compliance or chargeback challenges, you've probably run into roadblocks with traditional processors, and that's where Durango comes in. But Durango doesn't just serve high-risk merchants, it also supports low and medium-risk businesses and even offers support for retail businesses as well. It's a great fit for anyone who values hands-on service, custom pricing, and long-term support from a dedicated merchant account manager who's available to you anytime, no outsourcing to foreign call centers. Durango offers a full suite of services tailored to e-commerce, retail, and businesses of all risk levels, and here's what you can expect. High-risk merchant account setup and placement, payment gateway integration, including Authorized.net, support for in-person, online, and mail or phone payments, e-check and ACH processing, chargeback mitigation tools, international merchant accounts for eligible businesses, and dedicated account managers for every merchant. Durango doesn't just connect you with a compatible processor, it helps you build a complete payment stack customized to your business. That means more flexibility, better support, and a much higher chance of getting approved no matter what type of business you operate. All right, now let's talk pricing. Like many processors, Durango doesn't publish pricing. While this might raise eyebrows, it's actually a good thing, as Durango customizes your pricing based on factors like industry risk level, processing volume, chargeback history, and your processing needs. However, here's what Durango does disclose. There are no setup fees, no early termination fees for most merchants, monthly fees and processing rates vary by processor, and extra fees may apply for chargeback protection or add-on features. You'll get a custom quote during the initial review, which will be an interchange plus pricing quote, which is the most transparent pricing in the industry. And after you receive your quote, you can decide whether to move forward or not, and you don't have to worry about high pressure sales with Durango. While most merchants will qualify for month-to-month agreements, some higher risk accounts may require standard length contracts. The upside to getting a custom quote is Durango's pricing is highly competitive for low, medium, and yes, even high-risk businesses. With Durango, you're getting real value with dedicated support and zero junk fees. Whether you're a high-risk merchant or simply tired of cookie-cutter processors, Durango brings a lot to the table, including specialized expertise in high-risk industries, support for low and medium-risk merchants who want personalized service, a 25-plus year track record of stellar customer service, a long-standing partnership with Authorized.net for a secure and scalable checkout process, long-standing partnerships with the top 4 major e-commerce gateway systems, giving you options with no setup fees, fair pricing with no junk fees, flexible account placement tailored to your specific business needs, and dedicated, experienced account managers who are available whenever you need them. And Durango isn't just a merchant services provider that views you as another number. Think of Durango more as an advocate that's in it for the long haul, someone who walks you through the paperwork, connects you with the right processor, and helps set you up for success. Durango is a great fit for all types of businesses, so consider Durango if you want a merchant account that offers reliable service and long-term support, if you've been denied by other providers, or had merchant accounts shut down, if you sell products like nutraceuticals or adult products, or provide services like travel or collections, or you operate internationally and need offshore support. If any of those sound familiar, Durango can help you get back into the game or finally into it. At the end of the day, every business deserves a processor that's in it for the long haul, whether you run an e-commerce business, own a retail store, or operate in a high-risk industry. If you're tired of getting the runaround and want a provider that'll stick with you for the long haul, head to merchantmaverick.com/Durango and see what Durango can do for your business. And if you still need time to decide, check out our full Durango review for even more details, including what industries they work with, how to apply, and what to expect, linked in our description below. As always, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.